Let's fucking do this, man. Okay, no, go. Pull up, no. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, he actually did it. Oh! Pull up! Ooh. Alright, I'm here.
Oh, let him stay in the back of it while you...
Oh! Oh my gosh! Jesus.
No, guys, hold up. Stay on the back.
Alright. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, there.
No, it won't. Sorry.
Oh! Oh, I died? What the hell? I died?
That's fucking amazing. Wait, there's someone in the airport building that I'm in. I know, they're sitting there once in a while.
Land it? Yeah! That was sick.
Now guys, I got another spot to show you. That's the only way you die is you get shot.
What?
Yeah. Guys, follow me. I can't even aim my gun. Pop out. Guys, I'm going to show you.